Today for the Vpad price.
So right now, guys, we have successfully whitelisted. We done the first thing, but we still need to do the second.
Guys, for all warrior stakers out there, we have fantastic news, guys, because guys, the Legion whitelist is just open. So in this video, guys, we will go into step by step how you can whitelist on the right way, guys, so you don't make any kind of mistakes while I am doing it myself. So let's go into it right now, guys.
So here, guys, first of all, before we start, guys, for the people that still didn't have staked yet, the easiest thing to do is go to MetaMask and you can easily swap Ethereum or even right now Binance into Vpad, and from there you can send your Vpads, you can connect your Vpads with the Vlaunch platform. And then, of course, you need to go and staking, because the only way, guys, to get eligible for this free IDO allocation is through staking. So you will need to go to here, this bottom. I will zoom in so you can see it even better. You click on staking, guys, and then, guys, you will have here the option for how long you want to stake. Important of all, guys, the only way to get guaranteed allocation of us today, guys, is to stake the minimum amount of 5,825 tokens on 5 years, guys. Because of the staking bonus, you have 650% staking power, and you need that staking power in order to get more chances to earn. But also for the people that have not staked so much, no worries, guys. You are still eligible. Whatever you have staked, even you only have staked one token, guys, you have chances through the lottery system to be eligible to actually win free IDO allocations. So this is for every staker out there. Everyone has the chance. Of course, if you want to increase your chances, you will need to stake for as long as possible. And guys, you have crazy amounts of IPI, because right now your yearly return is 241%, guys. What means that you actually are making twice your money within the same year, even more than twice. But guys, you also need to consider that this is lowering how more Vpads are staked. So, but for the minute of time, you have crazy amounts. I would definitely take advantage of that. But let's go further, guys. So here, guys, for the people that are staking, for the people that already have staked, the first thing you will need to do is you will go to this here by upcoming projects, guys. You will see Legion Network. The first thing you will need to click on Learn More. One simple click, guys. So I will zoom here, Learn More. And right now, if you click on Learn More, you will see here this new tab opening. On this new tab, on the left side, you see the amount, how much you have staked. Then you see your bonus amount of staking. And here later on, once the lottery system will start in place, then you will see here how many tickets you have earned. And by that, we will see how much one ticket will be worth it. For the minute, you still have 3 days left and 15 hours, almost 16 hours, to whitelist. This is, of course, while I'm still making this video, but that will be lowering every single hour. It will decrease by time. So you only have 3 days and 15, almost 16 hours left to whitelist. So what you will need to do, the first step, guys, will be you will need to click on Join Discord. One simple click. Right now, you will be opened. Your Discord channel will be open here. And the only thing you need to do here will be clicking on Doe mee met Legion Network. This is Dutch for joining the Legion Network. So just one click, guys, on that blue sign. And right now, guys, you have successfully done the first task. Felicitations, guys. Well done. The next step, guys, is you will need to go into verification. Very important, guys. You go to verification, one single click by verification, guys, and now you will see this message popping up. On that message, you will see welcome. To access the server, you must read the rules carefully and then click the reaction emoji to this message below, guys. We will a little bit skip the rules, but you should actually do that. But let's click here on that reaction message. So only one single click, guys. And well done, guys. You have now successfully done the second step, guys. So now, guys, we will go into the third step. As you have seen, right now we have many more tabs here on our left side opened. So the next step, guys, will be, I will zoom here in, guys, so you can see it perfectly. You will need to go a little bit down, guys, and you will find here rank tracker. You need to click right now on rank tracker. Once you have clicked on it, so I will click right now on rank tracker, guys. And right now, guys, you see we have this tab opened. So this is our next tab that is opened. What you will need to do here, very important. First of all, guys, you will need to put here slash. So I will put here slash, 1 second. Yes. After you click on slash, you will need to type address. Normally, if we do it right, there should actually, yes. So once you put your first 2 letters in, you will see here a menu bulk opening with multiple options. You will need to click here with the Vlaunch logo, very important, and just click on address. Now here behind it we will need to put our wallet address. So in order to find your wallet address, you just go back to Vlaunch. And guys, for every warrior we have a different, each of you have a different wallet address. You will find your wallet address here below, below and then enter your address. So by step 3, and this address you will copy, of course, your own address, not mine address, guys, but your own address that you're seeing. You just click on copy, guys, and now you go back to the platform and you will need to add that here, guys. So we'll see if we do, so of course we will need to do control. So of course, depending what you're using, if you use a Microsoft PC, then you will need to do control V, and for an Apple you will need to click on command and V. Let's see, command and V. Yes. So for if you use an Apple laptop, you will need to click command and then V while you're still clicking on command. If you use not an Apple, anything just a Microsoft, then it will be control and V. Okay, very important. And now, guys, you only need to do the last step, and that is click on enter. So let's click here on enter, guys, and voila, Vlaunch verified. Success. Please go back to the vlaunch.com to enter the whitelist. So right now, guys, we have successfully whitelisted. We done the first thing, but we still need to do the second step. As you can see, these people here, guys, they have unfortunately not done it on the correct way. So because they have done it wrongly, guys, they are actually still not in the next step. So make sure to follow the step-by-step tutorial to not make any kind of mistakes and to be in this channel thinking that you are verified, but actually you are not. So right now, guys, the next step will be, we will return back to Vlaunch website, and the next step will be you just first click that out. And now, guys, the only thing now left is you back open Legion network. You just click on learn more, and yes, guys, felicitation, you are right now in, guys. Still one thing left, but guys, very important, in order to join the whitelist, some people will face that they are not able to join. this could mean that you are just not connected with your MetaMask. So make sure to be logged into your MetaMask wallet, guys, and then you will have no issues going on. So the next step, guys, is just here by linking this dot. By joining the whitelist and clicking the bottom, you accept or toast and PP and confirm that you are not the following, read more. When you link that on, guys, the only thing left, guys, is one click and join the whitelist. Now, guys, let's look here. So you will need to confirm that. Very important. It's free, so you don't need to pay anything. So here, one click, guys, sign. And here, guys, felicitations, you've signed up successfully for the whitelist. If you see that, guys, you are safe. Felicitations, guys, with the whitelist. So yes, guys, felicitations for the whitelist. For a second, guys, I was seeing that when you see just the last part, guys, let's go here so you can actually see it again. So guys, I was very scared because for a second, this, while I was doing the whitelist, was completely standing on zero, guys. I am very unfortunately to hear that one of our very good members, guys, you need to check him out. But lucky it's here back, guys. So guys, we have someone of our warriors, not only one, but two guys. One that is also making videos on a regular basis. Make sure, guys, to go back, to go to his YouTube channel, sign up, guys, give him all the love is needed, because unfortunately he's been hacked not long ago, guys. It's I will put his link here, guys. Maybe you have known him while texting in the period when he was texting John 4, guys. I'm very sad what happened. So be very careful with where you are signing in with your PC, because unfortunately this is an issue going on, that it's easy for hackers. Once they can access your MetaMask wallet, they could just unstake, guys, unstake your Vpads. And we really need, I hope Vlaunch will very soon, guys, make a second security, that it's not so easy anymore for people to actually just unstake, because this is unfortunately what happens with when you are hacked. But guys, just make sure to always be safe, double check every website where are you logging into, to not be a victim of hackers, guys. Also, guys, thank you to watch the whole video. If you like my content, please give me a like, a comment, guys. This helps the channel a lot, guys, to spread the content to as much as possible warriors and new potential warriors out there, so that they can find this, that they can have someone that guide them while they are actually doing the process, because there is nothing it's not nice to be there on your own, and to decrease the chances of people making mistakes, guys. We need to help them out, and that's why I'm making these videos, to help all the warriors out there, so you are not left alone, guys. Thanks for the people that always giving me these nice comments, guys. I'm reading every single comment and I'm answering every single one of you whenever I have time. I'm so happy of your engagement, guys. Thanks to watch my videos, guys. This means much more than you're actually thinking. I'm very I'm very appreciated with all the love I'm getting. Thank you very much for that, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.